Item number 5.9, Riverside Park erosion options.
You stuck it
Is that right?
in, or you stuck it somewhere.
5.8, sorry.
See it. Yeah.
Jumped the gun.
You hit the choice.
Oh, new lease was Spark.
Stuck your name in.
New Zealand Limited.
Thanks, folks.
Right, good afternoon, Nathan, again.
Good afternoon again. Yes, so Spark New Zealand have a small amount of infrastructure on Tongariro domain. They wrote to us asking if we would like to pick up a new lease for them. It all seems fairly straightforward and standard for what they do throughout the country. So I don't think that there would be any major problems with doing that, so we're just after your decision on
Where is it, Nate? Where is it?
To be honest, to be perfectly honest,
It's on the Great Lakes then? No.
we think it's in the Great Lakes Centre. It is in that vicinity. Everybody I've talked to from operations through to the facilities manager through to the parks operations manager aren't quite sure where it is. We haven't been quite brave enough to go back to Skype and say, excuse me, where is it? But apparently it's
I would take the money anyway, eh? Money, honey.
Is it an aerial?
no, we've got no idea, to be honest.
Flagpole.
To be perfectly honest, we don't know what it is. We know it's a 3 by 3 square metres, and if nobody's seen it, we probably think it's probably not a big deal.
It's on the ground.
It makes sense. If I asked for a map, we put it there. I was a little bit angry that it wasn't.
There's a reason.
Hey, that's what we could, there's competition for the councillors, see if they can find it.
Yeah.
There's
yeah.
Wally. All right, we'll take the money anyway, and there's pretty standard lease as you've outlined there. So could I have a move, please?
Your Worship, I just query again the extent of this lease. And is there any opportunity if we want it removed before the lease extension, which is 30 years, are we able to do that?
You could negotiate that with the lease.
We'd have to negotiate it.
Presumably that we are using their leases. We don't use our leases for those agreements. So we could ask Nigel to look through the lease that they send through to see what else.
Yeah, I'm just really concerned of the right of renewals. That's all. Got no problem with the lease, but full right of renewals was 6 years.
Through the chair, we need to have a clause in there, I agree, because if we did development of the Great Lakes Centre and it affects where that particular mast is, then there might need to be some ability to...
Providing there's a clause in the lease that will...
I mean, just have a clause in the lease.
You sure it's actually been built yet? Is it? Is this there?
I'm pretty sure, I can remember it when we actually did the initial lease.
No, the lease document and objective, unfortunately, the attachment as a map isn't attached, which is fairly typical for a lot of...
What about if they wanted to modify the
documents?
Well, yeah.
barrier? I think might pay.
As I said, we'd have to look at the lease that they sent through and make sure that it suited what we needed it to do.
Yeah, because the tower issues in other areas have been a hell of a nightmare, haven't they? So, should do you want us to sign off today, or do you want us to should we check on those items?
We can just still
Subject to?
sign that off and make sure
Yeah.
that's included in the lease agreement.
So suggested recommendation that we enter the new lease, but subject to terms and conditions that are agreeable by us.
Suitable, approved by the Chief Executive, for example.
And every minute, just that Shaney, those couple of queries here.
I'm still going to vote against it, Your Worship. Sorry.
You've got a mobile phone? What happens? You'll cover
Supplied by council. No, it's just the extent of the lease. I'm not worried about the lease, but I just don't.
The extent 30 years too long.
It's just me personally. That's all.
Through the chair, it's probably worth a site visit and check the lighting at the same stage, same time.
Okay. All right. Well, that's fine. Does anyone else have a problem with 30 years of the lease? All right. Suggested recommendation there, and as per recommendation, whatever, been moved by Councillor Harvey, seconded by Councillor Truman, I think. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Councillor Hickling, would you like that recorded?
Yes, please.
Certainly.
You've had a bit of a militant day today.
Militant.
4 years since you voted against something, Barry?
I voted twice today.
That's what I'm saying.